Hi guys. Meet again on this channel. This time, I will make a plastic tray drawing, which uses basic commands in the form of surfaces. Okay, let's watch the video directly. On the top plane, choose Sketch. Then create center rectangular. Set length at 260 millimeters. Depth at 180 millimeters. Fillet radius for all edges at 20 millimeters. OK, and exit Sketch. On the right plane, choose Sketch. Then create Profile Sketch. Choose Line. Make Pierce. Set dimension at 12 millimeters. 24 millimeters. 117.5 millimeters. 67 degrees. 77 degrees. Sketch fillet at 6 millimeters. OK, and exit Sketch. On the Surface toolbar, choose Swept Surface. Select Path. OK. Click Sketch 1, then choose Planar Surface. On the top plane, choose Sketch. Create Centerline. Midpoint line. Mirror entities. Set dimension at 19 millimeters. Angle at 26 degrees. Sketch fillet at 40 millimeters. OK. Exit Sketch. Then on the right plane, choose Sketch. Create Arc. Set height dimension at 9 millimeters. OK. Exit Sketch. Select Project Curve. Sketch on Sketch. Choose Sketch 4 and Sketch 3. OK. On the front plane, choose Sketch. Then create Guide Line. Convert entities. Create Line. Make Pierce. Set height at 13 millimeters. Parallel. Sketch fillet at 20 millimeters. And 12.5 millimeters. OK. Exit Sketch. On Surface toolbar, choose Delete Face. Check Delete. Select Faces to delete it. OK. Then choose Lofted Surface. Right-click in Selection Manager. Open Group 1. OK. Open Group 2. OK. And open Group 3. OK. Select Guide Curve Edge 1. And Guide Curve, Curve 1. Uncheck Merge Tangent Faces. OK. Choose Sketch 3D. Select Offset on Surface. Set Offset Distance at 13.5 millimeters. Reverse. OK. Show Sketch 5. Create Spline. Set distance at 14 millimeters. Exit Sketch. On the top plane, choose Sketch. Select 3D Sketch 3, then convert entities. Sketch fillet at 3 mm of radius. OK. Exit Sketch. On the Surface toolbar, choose Trim Surface. Check Standard. Select Sketch 6 as Trim tool. Then choose Keep Selection. OK. Mirror surface trim on the right plane. OK. Hide all sketches. Choose Knit Surface. Check Merge Entities. OK. Choose Fillet. Set fillet radius at 5 mm. OK. Then choose Thicken. Set thickness at 1.2 mm inside. Set fillet at 0.8 mm. OK. Create sketch on this face. Then choose Offset Entities from Edge at 3.5 mm. Reverse. Keep visible. OK. Click Other Edges. Close. On the Feature toolbar, choose Extruded Boss, 0.9 mm. Reverse. Set thickness at 1.8 mm. OK. Choose Fillet. Set fillet radius at 0.8 mm. Select Edge, then choose Internal to Feature. So, 31 edged will be automatic selected. OK. And create fillet at 1.5 on edges. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.